Hey guys, today we are going to add this type of video testimonial slide, and it looks so amazing because here people can share their experience about your product with a video. So, without wasting any time, let's see how to add this section. Just go to your store admin and click on Apps. Then search for Section Kit. After a few seconds, you'll be redirected to the Shopify App Store and you'll find this app there. Install it if you haven't already. After installation, you'll see an Explore section. In the search bar, type Video. And here's the section in the second column. It's free for now, so click on More Info and hit Purchase. You can also add this section to your favorites. After a moment, it'll take you to My Section Gallery, where you can see all your purchased sections. I only have one right now, so we'll click on the Customize button. Here you can select the theme where you want to add this section. And now this section has been added. Now let's open it in the Theme Customizer, go to Add Section, and search for Video. There's only one section with that name, so we'll simply select it. And now this section has been added to your store. Now we can literally customize everything to suit our store, like the heading. Let's replace it with what our customers are saying about us. But I don't like this font, so we'll change that too. I like Poppins, but you can select any font you want. Let's see what else we can change here, like the heading color. I'll change it to match our store's color scheme, so I'll set it to this color. This already looks pretty good, but to make it even better, if we scroll down a bit, we can also change the color and size of the review stars. And honestly, you can customize everything inside this section, like the card background color, padding size, and anything else you'd like. Once you're done customizing everything, hit the Save button, and now you can also preview it. I hope this app makes your e-commerce journey a lot easier. If you want to see something else about this app on this channel, or if you have any problem related to it, just comment below.